Following up on the natural gas, see, was the lucky shot here for me because I didn't have no reversals, but then I knew it was gonna turn back. We did turn back for a few days. Now you see it's a low, but yesterday we took out the high of the lowest bar. There's a big gap between what we're trading now and here. Today might fill this gap, but on the weekly we're definitely gonna see way turning back until the 18th. There's no direction change March, so it's a good opportunity to get in. At least that's what I see. Check the reversals on. Sometimes they change, so 28. Let's say it's unpredictable. Because of the reversals, we only have two, and now because it was so low of a down market, I don't even want to go in the bullish in the market. But gas has been volatile for quite a bit, so I took a position, but we'll wait today to see what's happening. If we make another high above 1618, then definitely we see a move all the way to the 5th March. Yeah, sometimes this confuses me, but I'm just watching just the reversal, the array.